What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and Discussion for Friday, March 17th, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and is always staying blessed. All right, you guys, taking a look at the surface map this morning, you can see we do have the cold front moving here across Louisiana here. And as you can see, we have some very heavy rain that is starting to approach our area here across southeast Louisiana. And as I zoom in here, you can see that we are still under a slight risk of severe weather here across southeast Louisiana and extending east here across the remainder of the Gulf Coast, which does include my friends here in Ocean Springs. But the primary threat here, you guys, will be damaging winds. As we check the probabilities real quick, you can see the tornado percent is really here across the Florida Panhandle for later on this afternoon and evening. And as we check the hail probability, you can see there's no hail, and the wind threat you can see is 15% here along the Gulf Coast. So, yes, our primary threat will be damaging winds, you guys. And as I show you this again, and I pause the radar, you can see temperatures are in the 70s here. We have some strong southerly winds here across South Louisiana. But as we go behind this front into North Louisiana, you can see Shreveport is already 46 degrees and it's 70 here in New Orleans. So almost just about a 30-degree drop here. So temperatures are going to fall quickly behind this front. But you guys, as you can see here, we do have this really heavy rains. Nothing severe is going on at the moment with this line of storms. This is really just heavy rain here. Macomb, Mississippi, Hattiesburg, extending even northeast into Birmingham, Alabama, the Atlanta area is experiencing some showers, some heavy rain at the moment. And as I come back down to our area, you can see here that just starting to enter Baton Rouge, the Lafayette area, Lake Charles, heavy rain. It's all occurring here. The front has moved out of the Houston area. They are in north winds now, 48 degrees. So, yes, the hawk will be returning. I wanted to call it borderline hawkery, but looking at these temperatures and winds behind this front, I'm more than likely going to say the hawk is going to be returning for this weekend here across southeast Louisiana. Now, you guys, I'm going to take the radar off real quick, and we're going to just take a quick look at this map to see about when to expect these storms in the New Orleans area within these next few hours. All right, this is a roughly about 8 o'clock. You guys, wait, hold on, you guys. Let me get the hold on, you guys, get the latest run. All right, here we go, you guys. I want to get the latest run. Better yet, we'll go to this one. All right, reflectivity. All right, you guys, I am on the way. All right, here we go. Let's get it to where we're going to get. All right, here we go, you guys. All right, as you can see, H triple R a little bit behind here. The showers are, so this is showing for valid 8 a.m. And as you can see, the line is probably just about right here at the moment. So this is probably about an hour behind on the model, but give or take, it's the computer. It's just about right. So as you can see here, you guys, the heavy rain here across Baton Rouge, Lafayette. As we move this on to about 10 o'clock, you guys, as you can see, this is starting to get closer to the New Orleans area, Bogalusa. As we zoom in further, Bogalusa extending on down to Hammond, Amite, Gonzales. All these areas could be seeing some heavy showers and thunderstorms. You can see these cells here. Those could be the ones that can have some locally damaging wind gusts as this system comes along. And as you can see, also by 10 o'clock, we will have showers starting to erupt here across the New Orleans area. And as we make it to about 12 o'clock, you guys, you can see this line of storms are really entrenched across the New Orleans area and the Mississippi Gulf Coast, you guys. So between 10 and 12 o'clock, expect the intensity of these storms and coverage to pick up. I want to say intensity too much because they're probably going to intensify a little bit to where the damaging wind threat will be just a little bit more than what it is now going on. But for the most part, the heaviest of the severe weather will probably stay to our east across the Florida panhandle where that 2% tornado threat is at. But I believe even there, that's going to be a very isolated event if they do even see a tornado or two there. But like I say, damaging winds will be the primary threat. And as this system moves on out, you guys, as I said, expect the cold, hawkery weather to come filtering on in. Soon as this front moves through here, so in the next few hours, those winds will be switching here across southeast Louisiana, and that cold air will be filtering in. So make sure you have your jackets, coats, whatever you need to stay warm here, you guys. And as you can see, this system does extend all the way up here into the Great Lakes region where there is even some snow here into parts of Canada. So everyone, please be safe, be careful, bundle up this weekend and into early next week because it's going to be fairly cold across the United States. And I will talk to you all in the next one.